Hi there, I'm Alan with mydrafttable.com. We manufacture this table in the United States. It's a combination desk, drawing table, drafting table. You can wrap your packages on this table. We have a paper dispenser here. Right now with the white paper, you obviously can put gift wrap paper or brown paper on there. You can use it as a painter's easel as well. You can use it for, your kid can use it for homework or your business and many other uses. This table adjusts to 5 different preset positions from this position all the way to 90 degrees on the vertical. It's adjustable from the front or from the side like where I'm standing, and just very easily. This would be 45 degrees, one of our positions, and this would be the 90-degree position. The table comes in 3 different sizes. This is our medium-sized table. It is 42 inches wide by 24 inches deep. We have a smaller sized table, which is 30 inches wide by 24 inches deep. And we have a larger sized table, which is 54 inches wide by 24 inches deep. The table comes in 2 different colors, both powder coated, the gloss black as you see here, and a light gray. The table is easily assembled. We have 8 bolts in total, 4 on either side, and we supply you with a wrench to assemble the table. We have a pencil tray over here. It stretches from one end of the table to the other. It's also removable. In this case, there are 3 screws. We supply you with the screwdriver to remove it. That's in case you find this pencil tray to be in your way, easily removable. The table has pads on the legs to level off the table in case your floor is not 100% level. The table's very durable, functional, as you can see, and very versatile. The paper, this white paper, as you can see, can be used in any position of the table, and that's as easy as it goes. There's a gap between the pencil tray and the table itself so that the paper remains flat on the table at all times. Now, like I said, you can take the pencil tray off in case you find it to be in the way. And as you can see, there's more than enough space for your pencils and markers, etc. on the pencil tray. Right now, these tables are on sale, and we have free shipping to the lower 48 states of the United States. Hope to hear from you soon, and thanks for watching.